Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. What's up, good people? Today we are doing our regular monthly Boxycharm unboxing. This is my February base box. I just recently got it last week, I think. So now we're gonna get down to the nitty-gritty. We're gonna unbox her together and figure out what's up, what's going on with this month's box. Before we jump into that though, if you are part of the Lady M fam, then guess what? Please take some time to subscribe. I would really like to have you part of the Lady M fam. That is, of course, if these are videos that you are interested in and that will spark your interest. While you're there, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox our February box together. So I think I missed the chance to customize this box. Like, it's so many emails, I can't really keep up. So usually you get an email saying it's time to pick your choice item. Yeah, I missed that. So basically they picked for me and I don't really know what's in this box. But anyway, this is the inside of the box. I'm pretty sure this box has something to do with Valentine's Day because it is February and this is the base box. And like I mentioned, here we have it. It says, "Be my Glamentine." Glamentine. Okay. Sure, Boxycharm, I'll be your Glamentine. So yeah, all the details about Boxycharm will be in the description box below. The different boxes, the different options, everything I detail in the description box, so be sure to check that out. I also have a link there for you that if you are interested in signing up and getting your own Boxycharm box, then there's a link down there for you just to click the link and you are able to hit that subscribe button and your monthly subscription boxes will be coming to you ASAP. So be sure to check that out as well. I will also have the total box value of the box here on the screen, so that way you'll be able to see what was the total value of my box. Now, Boxycharm has went on and increased the prices, so I hope they also increased the box value, because if they didn't, then I think that's not right. We're gonna pay more and then you're gonna skim us on the box value. You gotta make it work. So be sure to check the description box for all those details. So let's go ahead and get into this Glamentine Boxycharm box. What's the first product that I have here? I have this Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as active vital complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. So that will tell me this probably will be something really good to use under your eyes for makeup before you do your makeup, that this will be a great product since it's going to blur the appearance of fine lines under the eye. This retails for $32 and you're getting 15 milliliter of product. Now here we have it. This is what it looks like in this yellow and white packaging. It says an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. What else does it say here? Apply dots in a C formulation to the under eye. Use a tapping motion for maximum absorption. And bright eyes, I already told you guys that. So let me see if I can open. up. And that's so cool. On the top, it has like what looks like a, like, I don't know, like a citrusy kind of product. So it's kind of holographic. And then it has the Saturday Skin. And then everything else is in yellow. So not bad. That's all. All right, so what is the next thing that I have here? I have Stila, and it says Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Stila's volumizing long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one quote, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Even with multiple coats, this flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. So that's some pretty bold statements there. Where is that mascara? All right, so it's pretty much in the regular Stila packaging, this gold package. That's what it is in. And let me take a look at the product. Yep, so just all around gold with the typical Stila packaging. This retails for $23. So that is what the retail value of this. And it says to begin at the base of your lashes and sweep the wand outward and upward, build your coats for added drama. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this big box that I have here, and it's a brush, 4-in-1 makeup brush multitasker, and this is the Alley-Oop multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Never heard of this brand before, and it's dual-ended, as you can see from the pictures right there. And powder, contour brush, blending sponge, medium shadow brush, and angled brow liner brush. Okay, all of this is up in here. This is vegan, latex-free, cruelty-free. Meet the secret weapon that lightens your toolkit. 1 tool and 4 essential face brushes. All right, so it says how to use powder contour brush, sweep along the face, contours, blah, 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 blending sponge, medium shadow brush, and then you have your angled brush. So this says an award-winning by who? Because it's not on here. Yeah, okay. Award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers, and this retails for $28. Ali who? But that is the name. Ali. Okay. Okay. So here we have it. It's in this blue color. This is the sponge right there. And then you have the fluffy angle. It is pretty soft, I have to say. That's nice. So I am assuming, oh, you screw. So I took that off, and I guess this is the little angled brow brush right there. So let me screw that back. I do like the pretty blue. And then if we unscrew the other side, I guess that's where we get the eyeshadow. So right there. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So that gives you that. Wow, this is not bad. The material, it feels so soft on my skin. Like, I love, like, this is very nice and fluffy. I don't know who's gonna use this sponge, because the first thing that comes to my mind is, how are you gonna wash this? Like, no thank you, and no thank you. All right, this, okay, I could work with that. Get all up in here. That's nice. Not gonna use the other brow, whatever part of it. So it's not bad, but it's not my jam. So yes, let me go ahead and put this back into the box. And I think that's pretty innovative, but guess what, guys? It's a no for me. What else do we have up in here? The next thing we have is Yensa Tone Up Primer. That is the second thing. I'm just trying to put this back in the box real quick. And then we'll move on. So Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow. It's infused with 8 super powered skin loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin perfecting finish. Oh, this brush retails for $28, and this Yensa Tone Up Primer retails for $35. That's pretty expensive. All right, not bad. Packaging is nice. Reminds me of the Too Faced primer, because this is kind of what it looks like, their blur primer or something like that. So the superfood cosmetic moisturizes and preps skin for makeup. Blurs imperfections and pores, provides brighter skin tone, and it's powered by 8 super blacks essence. Okay, smooth a thin layer of tone up primer over clean moisturized skin. Blend BC foundation for smooth, even coverage. I don't know who BC is. Okay, so it says Essential Glow Primer. So this is black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushroom, black rice, Korean black raspberry, nettle, and chia seeds. So those are the super black essence that are included in this product. Okay. All right, interesting. It has superfoods and no parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, phthalates, or animal cruelty. And then the last product we have in here is Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This ultra fine felt tip liquid eyeliner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing, lasting all day. It won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run, and that retails for $12. Okay, that's the last product in here. I'm just opening up so we can take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so white with this gold packaging, and then there is the felt tip right there. Let me see if you can see. Yep. Okay, interesting. Okay, well, that is all the contents from my box. I had 5 items, and I probably would say I'm probably really willing to try maybe 4. I mean, they all seem to be okay, honestly. Eye cream, the mascara for sure. The primer, I like a good primer, so I'm willing to try. The only thing is I don't really like a glow primer. I like a more mattifying primer because I like to have a long wear, to my foundations. The brush, I probably won't use because how you gonna clean that? And I don't, no, thank you. So I probably would say 4 out of 5 is not bad. And then the eyeliner, I'm willing to try. I'm not really a wing kind of person, but I do like to have a little bit of eyeliner on my eyes, and I do like to use the liquid eyeliner, so I'm willing to try that. So not bad. I think I'm kind of disappointed, honestly, with the box. Doesn't really have anything in here that I know that I'm like, come through type vibe. So it's just a meh box for me, but I'm still willing to try. I like to try different mascaras, so maybe I like the Stila. But all right, guys, let me know your thoughts. Are you subscribed? Are you getting your monthly Boxycharms? What did you get in your box? Let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts on my box? And let's have a conversation down in the comments. And so that's it for today's video. Before we go, if you aren't subscribed, then please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.